Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm here to show you the AI Advisor beta tool for ontariocolleges.ca. Let's get right into it. When you land on the tool, it's made obvious right away it's in its beta phase, and it's there to collect responses and feedback from the users. And the first thing the tool does is introduce itself. It says, "Hi, I'm a chatbot. I'm here to understand you and your interest and recommend some college programs for you." So it starts out with some pretty generic questions. What did you enjoy? Any activities, hobbies, industries you might be interested in? So I'm going to talk to it. I'm going to say I like math and building things with my hands. And I'm curious to see which direction this is going to take. So right away, the questions get more specific. It talks about engineering, technical programs. It's starting to ask what kind of, physical structures, what kind of work environment you might be interested in. So I'm going to say I like tinkering with small technology, and I want to work with a team. And there we go. It gets even more specific. It starts talking about robotics or computer hardware, assembly and maintenance. And I'm going to say one last thing. I want to build things that make people's lives easier. I can continue having this conversation with the advisor and give details that are as much or as little as I want, but I'm going to hit I'm ready to explore study options. And when I do, two things will happen. First, it's going to generate a quick profile of me, of how it's understood me. So I think it's done a decent job. It says you like math, hands-on activities, you're interested in technology, you're interested in teamwork, and you want to improve people's lives. And right away, it gives the user the ability to edit the summary and show some of the evidence that it's based that on, like the things I've said, like I like math, building things with my hands. So I can edit this. I can say preference for collaborative projects. I want to be an expert in my industry. So this allows the user to make any changes if there's anything missing or misinterpreted. It's also pulled out these existing skills, academic interests, career goals, which you can also remove or add some new ones. And once you're done that, it provides a list of recommendations of post-secondary programs at Ontario colleges that might be relevant. So here is a wide variety: science and technology, technology and trade preparation, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering. So there's a breadth of programs that really continue to stick to that math and building things with your hands. When you look into one of these programs, you can start your application from right here. If I do that, I'm not logged in, so it just brings me to the login page. But if someone's already a part of the Ontario Colleges system, it would start the application for them with that pre-filled. Or you can hit learn more, and you can go down to this page where the Science and Technology Foundation program is available. You can go to the college website from here, and you can learn all the details. You can also adjust some filters. Maybe you're looking for a specific delivery option or a specific location. So I'm here in Waterloo, so maybe you can say I'm only going to look at local programs. And now it's narrowed it down to just Conestoga programs, which still have lots of technology and technician programs that are relevant. It's providing us with the match. If I'm looking at a program that I'm not so certain about, maybe this carpentry and renovation technician seems a little bit different, I can hit this question mark button and it will go and generate an explanation for me of why it thinks that might make sense. So it's talking about there's actually a lot of technical aspects to carpentry and renovation, and it's definitely going to improve lives. So that's another feature that might help people think differently about how their interests align with college programs. Here I can make some comments. I can say this was great. I can say best tool ever. And this feedback will help our team with our research goals and the questions that we want to learn about for ontariocolleges.ca users. And also help us gather ideas of those who come to use these products. Let's do a couple other examples. So let me talk to it again and go in a completely different direction. Say, I like being outdoors and spending time with my friends. I could say, I don't know what I want to do, but I don't want to be sitting at a desk all day. And that is it. That's all I'm going to give it. I'm going to go straight to study options. This is one of my favorite use cases because it's something that I've actually heard from a couple of my friends who are still trying to figure out what the rest of their lives is going to look like. And I wonder to myself, do they know that these kinds of programs are out there, that there is programs called Outdoor Adventure or Adventure Expedition and Interpretive Leadership, and of course, Environment Technician, Rec and Leisure, Urban Forestry. These are so different that all fit that requirement of like, I just cannot be sitting at a desk all day. And at every point, you can go and learn more detail and take a look at why that was recommended. So I'm really excited about the features here. That's all for this very brief demo. And if you want to learn more, I'd love to have a conversation, so please reach out.